You remember the conversation. They insist it never happened. You feel confused. You start to doubt yourself. This is gaslighting, the slow theft of reality. By the end of this episode, you'll know the exact moves manipulators use and the simple habits that stop them. Wait until you hear the single sentence most gaslighters use to erase a memory. Most people miss it every time. Act 1: The small lies. Gaslighting rarely begins with a grand lie. It starts with tiny distortions, a forgotten promise, a minimized hurt, a joke that lands as blame. At first it feels like a misstep. Then it repeats. Then it becomes the pattern you live inside. Imagine a drop of ink in clear water. At first it's tiny, then the whole glass is stained. One phrase keeps returning. You're too sensitive. It sounds harmless, but repeated, it rewrites how you name your feelings. If that sounds small, there's a move that turns those tiny lies into a full rewrite of your memory. Act 2: The rewrite. Now the pattern escalates. Facts are questioned, feelings are dismissed, your memory becomes the problem. The manipulator shifts the frame. They don't deny the event so much as reframe it until your version feels unreliable. Picture someone slowly turning the dials on a radio. Your station drifts until you can't find your song. Tactics to watch for include selective memory, staged confusion, and the pivot to you're imagining things. Each tactic isolates you, piece by piece. Most people never notice the slow fade because it happens in private. When it moves into public, the stakes change. Act 3: The social proof trap. When others begin to echo the distortion, reality feels communal and your doubt deepens. Jokes become truth, friends minimize your experience, workplace culture normalizes blame. Suddenly you're not just doubting yourself, you're doubting the room. Imagine a hall of mirrors where every reflection slightly changes your face until you no longer recognize yourself. There is one simple question you can use in those moments to test the room and reclaim perspective. There is a documentation trick that neutralizes social proof, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Act 4: The blueprint to reclaim. You don't need to win arguments, you need to protect your access to truth. Start with small, consistent habits that build a reliable record and restore confidence. Practical steps. Document, write short dated notes or record brief voice memos after key interactions. Anchor witnesses. Identify one trusted person who will hear your version without judgment. Boundaries. Set short, specific limits and state consequences calmly. Reality checks. Ask yourself simple who, when, what questions to test memory. Self-repair. Rebuild confidence with small wins and consistent self-validation. Picture building a small, sturdy bridge, one plank at a time, between your memory and your life. Say one clear sentence when someone tries to rewrite your memory, then step away. That single habit stops gaslighting cold. Gaslighting is not a mystery, it's a method. It's designed to make you doubt the most reliable witness you have, yourself. The most dangerous lie a gaslighter tells is not about the past. It's the lie that convinces you your memory is the problem. Pause for a moment. Let that land. Then take the first small step to protect your truth. Have you ever had your memory questioned until you doubted yourself? Share one short line in the comments. Your single sentence could help someone else name the tactic. If this episode helped you see the pattern, subscribe and save it for the moment you need to remember who you are.